Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and install the System Sensor L series remote strobe. So as you can see, I only have the wires hooked up. As you can see, they're all ready for this alarm. And normally this thing will fit onto it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the wires, and that I'm gonna take out the alarm and I'll install the bracket on this. So as you can see, unscrew the screw first, take the alarm off, and I'll put the bracket on. So yeah, let's do it. Alright guys, so before I put the alarm back into the bracket, you know what I did? What I did is I found the correct terminals here. So the black one right here is the negative, and the other one right here is the positive. So there are like two positives here. You have the positive right here, and you have the positive here. But instead, I have the I have a negative wire on black, of course, and the two positives as well. All right. Now that you can change your candela, but as you can see, I don't want to change it right now because I must change it. So I'm gonna set on to 95 candela because see 95. Yep, I'll change it to 95 because normally that's gonna be the brightness of the strobe. All right. And now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna screw in. So basically, you put in the bracket. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna screw in the screw with your screwdriver. You insert it and it's gonna work. Let's begin it. All right, y'all. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pull the fire alarm because as you can see, I have the batteries connected. So the negative right here will be the black wire. Will be this spot here, and the positive right here will be here. And as you can see, I installed the System Sensor L series strobe, but I will say this alarm right here will be old. So I must take a picture of those real quick. Alright, I'm ready to pull the fire alarm. I have the keys here on the pull station, but I'll be not pulling this pull station because it's not connected to this alarm right here. Because normally I have this pull station connected to I have the System Sensor L series strobe. I have it connected to my Simplex 2099 9799 brake glass pull station, but no glass, but it's just fine. We'll be go ahead and demonstrate that by pulling the fire alarm. But as you can see, I'm gonna pull this in 3, 2, 1. Yep, as you can see, the strobe is flashing. I'm gonna go ahead and shut the light off. Yeah, the strobe really doesn't do anything. So I have the batteries connected. See the flashing light? Yeah, there's an issue with the battery, I believe. See? Alright, I'll go and reset it. The pull station. You see, there's a little ink on there. You're the inside, and you close it. Alright. Close the station, and boom. Reset. If you want to key activate this again, look at this. Really doesn't do anything, but yeah. Let's give it again, try to make sure. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I think the strobe was on slow flash right now. Maybe I can buy more batteries. But anyways, I'll give this one more last pull, and then I'll end the video here. So yeah, the strobe was flashing a little bit. The battery, I don't think the battery worked. So the reason why the strobe keeps flashing because normally the strobe doesn't work on this. All right, I'll go ahead and reset the pull station again. Alright. So that's how you install the System Sensor L series strobe. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Please comment and subscribe, and you guys have a good night. I believe I might see you tomorrow, but I'm not sure. Wrong key I have. There we go. Alright. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please comment and subscribe.